At Festool, our goal is to keep your tool running. We trust our tools. They are German engineered, and we have a passion for tool perfection. All our tools are covered by our 3-year warranty all-inclusive policy. Total cover for 3 years. To keep power tools running at their best, regular servicing is essential, and your tool is covered for servicing under our warranty all-inclusive. Should you need a repair, your tool is covered. We'll even replace typical wear parts. We'll arrange the collection and return of your tool for free. We even cover theft for £100 excess. If your tool is stolen, we'll replace the tool for a brand new one. Whatever happens, your warranty all-inclusive covers you. Festool are here for you.